Hello everyone, my name is Abby Bliss White and welcome to my channel. Today I am so excited because I'm doing a little unboxing, something special from House of Sillage has shown up and I'm doing a fun giveaway. So if you are interested in seeing what is in this very special House of Sillage box and participating in a fun giveaway, then let's go ahead and get started. Okay guys, so excited for today. I admit I've already taken a peek in this box and it includes something very special that I already own. So first of all, we are going to open this beautiful box here. I'm going to do a little unboxing just to show you what is inside. And inside there is one signature House of Sillage perfume. We're going to open up the box here and inside we have got the gorgeous exotic Emerald Rain. So I'm going to put this back carefully because one of you is going to win this gorgeous perfume because I already own Emerald Rain and I absolutely love it. So let me just put this carefully away. So I put that one carefully away. We're going to take a peek at my beautiful bottle. First, let's take a peek at the beauty of this bottle. You guys, this is such a beautiful and exquisite bottle. This is adorned with over 150 Swarovski crystals. And this is made in Paris, France by the House of Sillage artisans. It is just absolutely gorgeous. Now the best thing is the juice inside is just as good as the packaging. So that's what I love about House of Sillage perfumes is yes, they are exquisite, they are beautiful to look at. Now the Emerald Rain limited edition bottle is the one with the beautiful tiger on top. I believe that's been sold out for a very long time, but just kind of giving you the essence of what is inside this beautiful bottle is going to include a very rich, powerful, bold, exotic kind of fragrance. Perfect for this upcoming kind of spring and summer evenings. So this definitely is like confidence in a bottle kind of fragrance. This is a boss lady kind of fragrance. I also think this is very sexy and intoxicating, kind of an evening kind of fragrance, but I don't necessarily wear perfume just for day and evening. If I feel like wearing this and I want to feel super confident, maybe a little bit bold, then I'm going to go ahead and wear this during the day. But in general, this probably would be categorized as sort of a sexy and intoxicating evening scent. And probably coming into the kind of spring summer months, usually you think about going a little bit lighter during the day, and then at evening you might want to spice it up a bit. So let's go ahead, I'm going to spray it on a little, let's go ahead and spray this on a little strip. Oh my gosh, this smells so good. So you guys, this would be classified as an oriental fragrance. It's definitely got some beautiful spices. I believe it's got creamy amber and sandalwood. I'll check the notes in a minute, but this is one of these kind of rich oriental, really luxurious, very intoxicating kind of fragrance. It's definitely got some beautiful spices, and one thing I'll tell you is this is very smooth. This is blended just to perfection, so it definitely is rich and intoxicating. I would say a little bit stronger of a perfume, but not overly heavy. I have definitely worn this during the day. This is what I'm saying is sometimes when I need a little shot of confidence, I tend to put on a little bit more of a bold fragrance, maybe something that I don't typically gravitate towards, but something that's going to kind of elevate me, make me feel kind of confident and ready to face the day. So upon first spray, you are going to smell the quality of the spices. So I definitely smell the cardamom in here. And it says that this is an Indian cardamom oil, and you definitely smell that beautiful kind of cardamom. I love that smell. It's just something that I gravitate towards in these kind of warm, sensual scents. And then it's got Indonesian nutmeg. So this is definitely one of these warm, rich kind of fragrances. It is unapologetically strong, which again, I love about this. I feel like everybody needs to have one fragrance in their collection that may be a bit more kind of bold or strong, maybe something that you don't reach for every day, but for those times when you are wanting a little shot of confidence or you want to feel a little bit kind of sexy and unapologetically powerful, I think Emerald Rain is going to click all of those boxes. So as far as notes, again, it's going to start with that nutmeg and cardamom. So beautiful spice blend there, definitely on the warmer side. Then in the heart notes, you're going to have violet leaves and creamy sandalwood. So again, you guys, it is warm, it is creamy, it is a buttery kind of fragrance. And then in the base notes, you've got a really high quality patchouli and benzoin. Benzoin is a rich kind of gum resin that comes from a group of trees. So there is a bit of like this resinous woodiness to this scent. So to me, benzoin has kind of a richness to this. It's got a teeny bit of like a sweetness. It's very smooth. I guess I always think of kind of perfumes that include benzoin is kind of creamy, smooth, almost slightly sweet, very rich, a little bit incensey, but not overly. There's just something that makes me think of warmth, butteriness, creaminess. So if you can imagine that kind of creamy, warm butteriness topped with some beautiful spices of cardamom and nutmeg, and then it's got a little layer of violet leaves in there. This makes for a kind of bold, sexy, very intoxicating kind of fragrance. So again, I think that every woman should own a fragrance like this in their collection. Now, I often get asked when I'm doing kind of perfume reviews, what perfumes smell similar, like if they're kind of stronger or lighter. And the one that is kind of coming to mind is kind of a similar kind of vibe to it is going to be from Serge Lutens, and that is the Ombre Sultan. Like when you spray that on, again, it's that kind of rich kind of, again, it's kind of that rich, intoxicating, spicy kind of fragrance. So that would be kind of in that realm. If you have smelled that and you really like it, I think you're going to love House of Sillage's Emerald Rain. Now, as far as longevity, this has incredible longevity. I will say it starts out with a bold blast, and then as the day goes on and this dries down on your skin, it is going to still have that kind of rich, empowering kind of feel to it, but it's definitely going to dry down to something that is a bit softer, a bit more like wearable. So if you are worried about fragrances that are going to wear you, kind of know what I mean, like when you spray something on and you don't quite feel comfortable in it, this is not going to be that. It's not going to be too overwhelming or too heady. So again, upon initial blast, you might be like, whoop, this is a strong fragrance. Give it about 30 minutes. That's kind of with all fragrances, and it is going to start to settle and mesh with your skin and your chemistry. So then it's going to dry down to sort of a rich, classy fragrance. Now, if you are into kind of rich amber scents and you wear them year round, this totally could be your signature scent. And this to me just has that kind of rich, luxurious feel that's going to give you a shot of confidence. Hopefully you already have confidence going on, but if that's something that you're wanting to convey that day or every day, this is the fragrance for you. So now I am so excited because since I already own this beauty and I have it in my own repertoire, I'm going to do a fun giveaway of Emerald Rain to one of you lovely people. You guys know I love to give back to you guys, and when this showed up I was like, yay, someone's gonna get to try Emerald Rain. So in order to enter this amazing giveaway, what I would ask is that you give this video a thumbs up. Please follow me on YouTube. I appreciate all your love and support. I also would love for you to follow the House of Sillage on Instagram, as well as myself, Abby Bliss White. And then in the comments below, if you could just share your confidence in a bottle fragrance. That's what I think of when I'm thinking of this beautiful Emerald Rain. And I think everybody has a fragrance in their collection that they pull out when they want to feel confident, empowered, sexy. They just kind of want to rock their day. I would love to know what that perfume is for you. And I wanted to give a shout out to the House of Sillage. I love you guys. I'm so excited. There is some fun launches coming up from the House of Sillage. So you guys, lots of good stuff to share with you. And I'm so excited to be able to do this giveaway with you guys as well. So I will leave all of the information below in the description box of how to enter. But I hope you guys have an amazing day and a great start to the week. And I'll be back with another video soon.